Yeah, starting the recording. Okay, so now I'm going to download one report. Okay, I take one report.
Yes, sir. You can, no, sir, you can check my system only. Yep. Same one only you can.
No, I'm showing my
You
screen
can
now.
go
No?
to, okay, no. Yeah, yeah. I mean, you can log in through our portal only and show me the report.
Yeah, definitely. So I'm just logging as Sirius. Then here you have the reports, right?
Yes, sir. Everyone has completed the test. Okay. You
Yeah,
can take
so
one.
which report I should take? Any report, no?
Any report, sir. Any report.
Okay, I'll take this Deepa's report. So you have taken this junior engineer, right? This report will take.
Yeah.
Download it. Yeah. So you can see the report now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here it's actually very clearly said, job profile compatibility is here it is 40.7%.
Okay.
And the compatibility considering competency order is 30.6 percentage. So when we say
Okay.
competency order, that means the first thing is analytical skill. That is the most important thing in a junior engineer, isn't it?
Okay. Okay.
So based on that means analytical skill, then the attention to details, then systematic approach, follow
These
instructions,
are
team
the
player.
competency order, right?
This is the order. So if you
Okay.
look at this order, that means analytical skill has got a higher priority, higher
Okay.
weightage. Okay. So when you consider this order, then she is standing at 30.6 percentage compatibility.
Okay.
Whereas if you
Okay.
do not look at the competency order, that means she is fit for 40 percentage for this.
Okay.
Okay. So now, according to our this thing, the best fit is 60 percentage to for 80 percentage.
Okay.
60
Yeah.
to 80 is the
Got it.
best fit. Okay. So
Okay.
if you take anybody who is less than 50, less than 50, for 50 to 60 is okay, you can consider, but you may have to give her some training or something like that. Whereas if it
Okay.
is below 50, it is actually risky to take this person.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Now I will tell you some more ideas, some more things here. I will just download one more report for you that is called the behavior analysis report. Okay.
Okay.
This
Okay.
report I will not charge you. I will give this complimentary to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So that these two reports together can explain more. You can get more insight about this person. Why we
Okay.
say it is
Got it.
this person is not very good. We will look at that.
Okay,
So
sir.
I am downloading that report also. When you see this is the behavior analysis report. Now, for a software engineer, junior engineer like her, she should have the few things very good.
Okay.
That is one is
Okay.
systematic thinking. Now you
Okay.
can see here it is quite low,
Okay.
isn't it? The same thing you
Yes.
can see here also. Systematic approach is quite low here, right? In this report.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah. Then analytical skill is also quite low. Attention to details is also low. It is given here itself. Okay, here itself,
Correct.
these three skills are very low, which are very important. These three are very important in software engineer.
Okay.
Whereas
Okay.
she is good in continuous learning. So now she is good in continuous learning means she will update her knowledge. Okay.
Okay.
So normally in the test and all that she may perform well.
Okay.
Why?
Okay.
Because she is a continuous learner. She will update her knowledge in these technologies.
Okay.
Okay, so
Correct.
technology she may be good. So when you ask questions or in the writing test and all that, technical test and all, she may score well. But
Correct.
when she really comes into the picture of analytical skill and details and all that, she may fail in that. So when she try
Okay.
to apply that knowledge in the workplace, she may fail.
Okay.
You know,
Okay.
and also she is
Got it.
self motivated. She is self motivated because it is quite good, isn't it?
Yeah. Correct.
And also
Correct.
she is a team player. So that means
Yeah. That is also good.
she will mingle with team. When you talk to her also, you will see that she is quite good talking very well, and she will also mingle with other people and all that. That you will see. So
Correct.
normally what happens is in the HR round, no, this may be one of the reasons, sometimes, when you look at these three things, we feel that
Hmm.
this person is quite good. We feel that this
Correct.
person is
Correct.
quite
Sir.
good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Hmm.
So, but when it really comes to the job, it can be a problem. Because this,
Oh,
with the self-motivation and the team player and the continuous learning, she'll be doing good in interview and all that.
okay. Okay.
Okay, and in the test also she may do good in the technical test and all that. But this
Okay.
is the problem here. So this is one thing. So then you can see, as you see, you have
Ah,
seen already, the scores are very less. And
correct.
also you can see the strength in general. What are the strength? But I'll show you. See, she is good in somewhere, isn't it? Not that she is bad.
Yes. Yes.
So if
Correct.
you go back down to the last page, I mean this page, the top
Ah,
competency of her, then you can see
okay.
her skills are in helping attitude, then people development, crisis management, pragmatism, that is practical, managing change. See, managing change. Where in this job we are not looking for any change in that person, isn't it? We are not looking for
Correct.
that. That is for the managerial person or a higher senior
Correct.
person.
Correct.
This is good.
Correct.
Flexibility, she should not be so flexible also, because she has to do the work properly.
Correct. Correct.
Isn't it? And also setting up a new venture, so that means she can also set up new ventures, new business and all that, a little bit of things and all that, she can do that. Then facilitation, then positive, what is that, positive
Attitude, right?
attitude. Positive
Positive
attitude is
attitude.
there.
What is?
Yeah, positive
Yeah, it is.
attitude, that is, she is quite positive. But that will not help you in programming, isn't it? If you are
Correct, sir.
positive, it will not help you in that will help you in some other job, some other kind of job, it will be good, you know
Correct.
so these are her qualities actually. So if you put her in any of the job which needs these kind of things, she will do well.
Okay. Okay.
Understood? She is
So for analysis, the first four parameters are very important, right?
very,
Analytical
yeah,
skills and
very important, very important. So that is
okay.
the way we should look at. Okay.
Okay.
Then you can also get some other
But
way,
if
like,
it is opposite, if a candidate has all the skills and is not self-motivated, then how can I even
then you
think
have to,
of even?
then you have to motivate, or you have to decide whether you have to take her or not. you know if you don't get
Okay.
anybody else, then you may think of. Otherwise, if you have a better person,
Oh,
then you go for that person, isn't it, instead of taking her.
okay. Yeah,
So
got it.
that is why
Yeah.
you are able to look at these parameters and see what is the most important. These are the most important things, these areas. So if that is
Okay.
not there, if self motivation is there, then you have to take a call whether you want to take that person or not.
No, no, no. If self-motivation is not, yeah,
Not there,
self-motivation is not there and the other things are there, then
then you have to decide whether, if you get another person with self motivation also, then go for that person, isn't it?
okay, okay.
So actually
Got it.
here you are going to give a comparative study between these people, isn't it?
Correct,
Then
correct.
you
Yeah,
choose for the best one. You can also look at the percentage. Percentages also play a
correct.
role, but
Okay.
don't just go with the percentage alone. As I told you, if
Sir,
the continuously,
profile competency and what is difference between profile competency and the second one?
profile compatibility means this person is fit for this job 40 percentage.
Okay,
Okay, only 40 percentage fitness is there.
okay,
But if you also consider the job order, I mean the competency order, then she is again going down to 30 percentage, because the first important three parameters are very less for her. That's why.
correct,
Okay. So, so I told you this person may not be a good programmer.
correct, correct. But
Yeah.
we want good programmers.
Yeah. So you also look at this report again, as I told you,
Yeah,
she is an optional thinker. That means she will have some kind of options. If you ask her some question, what do you do in this situation? She may tell you the answer. She may find out. She will bring out some choices for you.
correct.
Okay, and then she is career focused. She is career focused, and
Okay. That means she'll stay with us.
eh,
Ha, ha.
she no, that we cannot say exactly, because she wants change. I will tell you one more thing. Dealing with change. You see here. Okay, dealing with change is high medium here. So when you look down
Okay.
here, dealing with change, what does it mean? She likes the situation to evolve slowly over a period of time. Okay, it's medium. Okay, it's medium. Focusing on continual and incremental small steps to bring in efficiency. She will increase on performance and productivity and enjoy the growth process. She will look for a desirable balance between low tolerance and for change. So that means we cannot say that she will be there for a longer time. Whenever she does not get a change in the environment, she will leave.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Correct.
So that is
How do I judge the job continuity here?
job continuity. You can check. One is this one. Dealing with change, you can see if the change
Okay.
requirement is high in the level, then
Okay.
she will always need change in her life, in her job. So that means if she is supposed to do the same thing every day without any change, she will get bored soon. Faster she will get bored, and she will look for other options to look out for other jobs in other companies.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
she is more of she is more of she likes change. She is looking for change. She will look for change.
Okay.
Okay, it is
Got
not
it.
very high. I'm not saying it is not very high, but it
But
is high
there are
medium.
chances.
High medium, yeah.
Yeah.
If it is too high, then definitely they will leave immediately after some time. I mean, if you don't provide change in the environment.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay. So then also she has got empathy. No, she is more empathetical and also more focused on people.
People focus.
That is why
Okay.
she is having the helping attitude and all that, because she likes people
Correct.
and
Correct.
help people. That is why.
Correct. She'll mingle with people. Yeah.
Yes,
Got
exactly.
it.
Yeah. But that will not help you in the programming, isn't it?
No, but as a team player, that would be
Yeah,
a
team
point
player.
to be considered,
Yeah.
but not a major point.
Yeah, not a major point. That's why. So based on this thing, you have to take a call. You have to decide whether you have a better person in your store, then you can take that person. Don't go for this. Of course, definitely in this scenario, I will not suggest her because of this low percentage.
Okay.
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 Because and also don't go above 80% also, if possible. Why? Because it is
Okay.
overskilled. That means if she is very analytical, then she will lose something else somewhere else.
Correct. Correct.
If she is very systematic, then she won't be able to make any change. See, once you do that program, then that's it. I will not change it. She can be more rigid also at that time.
Correct.
Okay, so you always strike a balance of looking at people 60 to 80 or 50 to 80. In case,
Okay.
sometimes, if you don't get anybody else and if it is the urgent requirement, then you can look above 50, you can consider.
Okay, sir. I
Yeah.
got it.
Yeah. Then also you can look at the strength as I showed you. She sees the potential in others. That is focused on people and their feelings. That's why she is more of people team builder, team skill she has got.
Okay.
Then
Yeah.
motivated by opportunities and possibilities. Prefers to develop and set up new ventures. She also has a flair to start new business.
Okay.
Yeah, and is practical and wants to fit with everybody else and considerate, caring, and accepting because she is more empathetic and all that, and makes people feel important. And they'll be, she will be always trying to agree with people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you can also see here some caution about her. That means may become too over
Over
enthusiastic.
others.
Yeah, may focus
Okay.
more on others' affairs than forgetting self. That means she may go and help other people in their job, but she may she may not do her job.
Correct. Got it.
Yeah, so like that.
Correct. Okay, sir. So here, which are the parameters, main important parameters that I'll have to assess in the complete report,
The
which I have to focus on?
main thing is look at the first this chart. This is the main thing,
Correct. Got it.
most important
Yeah.
because this is
Okay.
very specific to the job that we have given, isn't it?
Yes.
Then you can also look at the last chart, this chart. This also, if you see whether you can
Can I know
some
the
at
heading
least.
of it?
Eh?
Heading? What is the heading of this chart?
Heading is top competencies.
Top competencies.
Top
Okay, got it.
competencies. So here also
Okay.
you can see whether any of these competencies listed out here is helping your programming software engineer.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
See now if you look at helping attitude, okay, it may help in some places, right? Not too much, but
Correct.
again,
Correct.
because if the helping attitude is too much, then she will be always doing the other's job. That is also there. Then
Correct.
people development, of course, she is not a manager, so she is not a leader, so it is not required. People development is not required in this job. Crisis management, of course, she is not going to handle any crisis and all that, isn't it? Because she is a junior
Correct.
engineer.
No.
Yeah, so that
Yeah,
also
she
we can
doesn't.
avoid. Pragmatism, yes, not actually more related to this one. Managing change, again, she is not into managerial level. Then flexibility, of course, we need flexibility, but not very
Too
much
much.
in this case, because again, we are not doing any change management program here. Then setting up new ventures, of course not. Then facilitation is also not that important. Then positive, what is that? Positive
Attitude.
attitude. Yeah, positive attitude is good, but again, if it is too much, then it is too bad. you know.
Okay.
Then
So ideally, I have to consider the candidates between 50 to 80%.
yeah, 50 to 80%.
Okay.
So let us look at another report then. I will download another report and show
Yeah.
you. Huh?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So now you are analyzing the behavioral analysis report, right?
No, both.
Okay.
Both
I
I
have
analyze.
job
No,
both the analysis.
this also I told you, because the
Correct.
important things are it should be systematic. Then detail orientation must be very good. Then reasoning must be very good. Here it is not very good,
Okay.
right? Then problem
Correct.
focus is quite not very good, but high medium it is. Okay,
Okay.
so most of the
So in
parameters,
this, yeah.
that are required for software engineer is very low in this person.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Got it. So
so
in this chart, which are the areas that I'll have to focus is systematic, detail one, reasoning, all this stuff, no, sir?
yeah, I'll tell you systematic thinking, then
Okay.
detailed orientation, then you can look at
Career
the
focus.
career focus is not that important, because it is actually career focus is to strike a balance between the life and the career. So she is more
Oh, okay.
into
Okay.
career focus. That means she wants to develop her career. That is there. She wants to
Okay.
develop her career. She wants to do that. Then you have to look into the problem focus.
Okay.
That is also so. These are the 4 areas you can look into this. But actually, this is actually covered in the other report also. But I
Okay.
introduced this report to you. Why? Because you can also look at where else she is good at. This yellow color
Correct. Correct.
or this orange color, this yellow color, you can also look at her strength. These are her strength,
Correct.
this yellow color.
Okay.
No? So in case if you want to look at, then you can look at this report. If you want to look at the
Okay.
strengths. Otherwise, it is also covered in the other report, that top competencies, there also it is covered. But this gives you the basic elementary level skills. Okay, the other
Got it.
report is the most important. So I close this report also. Then I'll go back and take another person's report. What more report we'll look at? Is it okay?
Take Prasanna or Praveen T.
Praveen T. Okay, Praveen T. I'll take. Praveen T. Yeah. Sorry. Let me download again. Okay. Praveen T, you can see is 60.7 or 68, even you consider the order. And
Okay.
almost many of these competitions are quite good for him, except self motivation. That is less actually.
Correct.
That you have to motivate him. See, everybody is different. When something is good, then something may not be good. That is why we find the
Correct. Correct.
difficulty in the work environment. That is a challenge that we have as an HR.
Correct, sir.
So now when you look at, see, the systematic approach is insufficient. That is not very good, this one, systematic approach.
Yeah.
So that you have to be caution about. When you appoint him, you have to be caution about him. Then follow instruction is fair, okay, 42%, because I don't know, in your scenario, in your job, in that job, in your company, you'll be having the design, isn't it? So he has to
Yes,
just
sir.
follow
We are
best.
just doing the research and development. That's all.
Ah, yeah. So you are having the design. That design only they have to implement, isn't it? And
Yes, sir.
it
Yes.
is fair. So you can just leave this okay. You can just take it as okay. This 42%. Then team player is very good. Then self motivation is 27. It's actually quite less. But then
Yeah.
you have to motivate him. What are the ways you have to motivate him? Then he will do good things. And also his continuous learning is also quite good here. Very good. So he will update his knowledge. And but you have to push him. Once you push him, he will do a good job.
Okay. Okay.
That is about this. And also you can see here what are the other top skills that he has got. He has got good skills in data
Data.
collection. People development is also there because he is also good in team player, right? He is also a good team player.
Correct.
Yeah, and
Correct.
also he is good in scientific research. So this also will help you in your
Help.
job,
Correct.
isn't it? So this is something, an additional thing that you can also look at, because the scientific
Okay.
research will help you in your job environment. Change management, of
Okay.
course, it is not that required. Facilitation, planning details, this also will help you in your thing, right? Because he has to plan. So this will
Correct.
also help. So that is, you are getting more and more positive points for him in that job. Then time
Okay.
management is also maybe good for you, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Correct.
then he is
Yeah.
also into coaching and mentoring, democratic decision making, and all that is there, which is not very important for you in your this thing. But maybe if you take him, then you can also later like take him as a, he'll be able to teach other people, because he is
Okay.
into research. He's into research. Then he
Correct.
is also into facilitation. Then he is also into coaching and mentoring. So
Correct.
these qualities later, once you become senior, then you can the other juniors that you take, you can be a leader or something like that. You know,
Oh, good. Okay,
yeah,
sir.
because he is also into change management and all that.
Correct.
So that way you can plan ahead with him something.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe you can go into a better position later in
Okay.
this area. So that way, so that means from here you are getting some positive points again. That's why you
Correct.
have to look at this one as well as the other one.
Correct. Both.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then what you have to be concerned about him is, he become too over enthusiastic about others. Then may focus more on others' affairs, forgetting self. May remain in the own world of ideas.
Hmm.
Okay, so he has got a lot of ideas also.
Correct.
Yeah. So that idea also is also important for you, because it is research, right? Your project is research oriented. So
Correct.
that idea is also important, and continuous learning is also there. So I will recommend this person, but again you will
Okay.
look at the other people also and then decide how many people are you going to take now.
Uh, 5 to 6, sir.
5 to
Actually,
6.
5 people have taken it up.
Mm.
So out of this,
Yeah,
we'll choose and then we'll check.
yeah. Then maybe you can conduct more tests also if you are not satisfied with if you are whatever you are getting, no.
Yeah.
Based on the skills, you can decide, finalize it.
Correct.
Like that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So have you got the idea now?
Yes, sir. I got it. Yeah.
Yeah. So the most important thing is this one and the top
Okay. Got it.
competencies. Then
Correct.
additionally, you can see how he is and all that. Then you can also look at the behavior analysis report of that person. Then you can
Okay.
see also where he is, what are the other skills that he has got. You may be interested to know, because whether he can somehow you can put him in some other job or something like that, you can see. Now, when you look at this, now he has got detail
Ah,
about the
he has good. Yeah.
data collection. This is also may help you in sometimes, it is a part
Correct.
of research, collect the data. So that is important
Correct.
also. And
Knowledge
also,
update.
yeah,
Good.
knowledge about is a futuristic thinking. He is concerned about his future also, not only his future. He thinks futuristically, and the
Correct.
reasoning is quite good. Empathy is there, that is okay. People focus is there because he is a good team player also. But it is too much. You have
Correct.
to also have a look at him, whether he is too concerned about others. That is also there.
Correct.
See,
Yeah. Yeah.
and the
Correct.
knowledge
Correct.
update is also quite good. So
point.
this person is can be shortlisted
Okay. Okay.
like that.
Right. Got it, sir. Understood. Yeah.
Yeah. So do you think this report is useful?
Yes, sir. It's really helpful.
Yeah.
Now I'm able to analyze it
Yeah.
so that I can even explain it to my director as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
See, sometimes, when you take the interview or test and all that, people will be very smart.
Correct.
They will be
Correct.
very smart. Number one is, see, nowadays, anyone, whenever they appear for interview and all that, they will always go into the website of that company and study everything. Okay. Before they come for the interview, they'll study your website. And when they
Correct.
ask you the questions and all that, they will try to relate their answer with respect to your kind of job nature. So then you will think, oh, this person is quite very interesting. This person is quite smart and all that you will think. So that is how you are getting carried away, they can carry you away. But in the real scenario is the thing, the question. So for that, this kind of analysis will help. But again, I am telling you, this is not 100% accurate. Okay, it's
Correct.
around 80,
Yeah, yeah.
85%.
100% nothing can be
Yeah,
accurate. That means
yeah,
it is not right.
yeah. So that way, you have to look at also this report.
Okay, sir. Yeah, got it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for your
Yeah,
time.
no problem. So I will send you this thing also, the recorded version. I'll send you that later.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Thank you
Bye.
very much.
Bye.
Thanks
Bye.
for your time.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank
Bye.
you,
Bye.
sir. Bye.